Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kasturi Rajesh Kumar. In this video I am going to unbox MI Motion Activated Night Light 2, and I have bought it from Mi Store app for 599 rupees, and if you buy two products they are giving you for 1000 rupees only. That is a combo deal, and it runs with batteries. Already I am using Motion Lamp 1 and E-Light 1 night light sensors from 1 to 2 years. I will show you at the end of the video. Now let me open the box and I will show you the contents, and you can see the MRP 599 rupees. I bought it for 599 rupees. They have given more MRP on the box. Now let me open it without wasting your time. I like cutting the seal. Now what are the contents given in the box? Let us see. And this is the motion light sensor. The advantage on this device is only it works during night times. If there is light in your room, it does not work. If there is no light in your room, then only it works. That's why I bought this product. Mainly during night times, if I go to washroom or any kitchen, automatically our body, according to our body sensor, it is activated. And the specialty in this light is you can rotate it for 360 degrees. First let me open the cover, and this is a magnetic base. You can rotate the device 360 degrees in any order you can put. I like this format. And the sticker is given at the bottom. You can paste to any wood particle or iron particle. Now I don't want to remove the sticker. Now let me open the seal. Friends, they are not providing any kind of batteries with this device. We have to insert 3 AA batteries. It's always recommended to use alkaline batteries. I want to use rechargeable alkaline batteries on this device. You can use any kind of alkaline batteries. Duracell is the best brand, and Panasonic, some Duracell, some brands are there. Only use some good brands batteries and use alkaline batteries only. They are the leak proof. Now let me open this, and I want to insert 3 AA rechargeable batteries because I can charge it and I can reuse it again. I am using 2500 mAh batteries on this device. 3 batteries I am using, and it has 2 modes, friends. One is low light mode and another one is high light mode. Now this is the high light mode, and you can change it to low light mode also. See, this is the low light mode and this is the high light mode. My screen is flickering because that light cannot be captured on using my mobile. I am recording this video using my mobile phone only. Means if you are using in 60 frames per second, it can record the light, otherwise the light will flicker. Now it is not working, see, because only it works during night time. I will cover the light with my hands, palm, then the light is activated. only during night times it will work, and if your room has no light then also it works. This is the E-Light 1 motion sensor. I have bought it 3 years ago in banggood.com for like approximately 1200 to 1300 rupees, and even this device is operated with AA batteries only, and but the light is very less in this. I don't like this old model. Let me open the cover and I will show you how many batteries I am using. I am using Panasonic Enelope 3 AA batteries on this device, and even it has two light modes, low light, high light. Even if I kept the light in high light also, the light is very less compared to the motion activated sensor light 2. The names are very confusing, friends. They will use very lengthy names. Just I am using motion light, it's very easy to pronounce. This is motion light 1, E-Light. Actually this is a sub brand of MI only, E-Light. This is E-Light motion lamp 1. Now I will show you MI motion lamp 1. This is MI motion lamp 1. This is very compact and very lightweight, and the price is very heavy, 1600 rupees, but you can charge this one. The Mi lamp 2 you cannot charge, and it has 3 buttons: auto, on, off, and you can reach, and it has a rechargeable battery. You can charge this device. That is the main advantage on this device. And they are giving one carabiner hook to this device. Not carabiner hook, actually they are giving some kind of metal hook, and it is very compact, but the motion light 2 is a little bit heavy. Even lighting is good in this motion lamp 1. I will give the links. If you want to buy, just you check out in the Flipkart and MI store app also. This MI lamp 1 is available in Flipkart, but MI lamp 2 is only available in Mi store app, and the E-Light lamp is not available in India. It is not yet launched in India. Now I will show you the user manual once you look at the user manual. Once pause the video and read all the specifications, friends. They are given very briefly about the lumens and everything, and it has 2 modes, low light and high light, and it supports from 3 lumens to 25 lumens. Minimum range is 3 lumens and maximum is 25 lumens. This is the speciality in this device. If the batteries are very low, then it will go to 3 lumens, and you can use in different directions because it has a magnetic base. Now let me show you the specifications of this device. And luminous flux is 3 lumens to 25 lumens, already we discussed. Rated voltage is 4.5 volts and rated power is 0.34 watts, and operating temperature is 0 degree centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade, and operating temperature is 10 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade. Item dimensions are 8 cm to 6.2 centimeters, and net weight is approx 121 grams. These are the specifications. Now friends, I will use it in dark and I will show you. Now I have turned off all the lights in my room. Now I will walk in from front of this device. Now what happens, you see, and friends, whenever it detects my body and the light is glowing, see, I am using 2 lights side by side, but the light is more in MI motion lamp 2 compared to MI motion lamp 1. Friends, I have turned on the lights. Now see, if I show any body sensor, it does not work. This is the specialty on this device. Only it works during the night times. I hope you like this video, friends. Goodbye friends, take care.